example 3, we have Elroy who is getting solar. The total amount he needs to borrow is $29,126. So this is our PV, the principal. Plans on taking out a 10-year loan. This is our little n, not our big N, but our little n, at an APR of 6.23%. So this is our I percentage. Remember that our big N is our little n, the number of years, times 12. So I'm going to go over to our calculator. If you're on the handheld, remember apps, enter, enter. I'm going to reset here. And if you're on the handheld calculator, you can just type over the existing information. So my big N is going to be 10 times 12. My I percent as a percentage, I do not need to convert it, 6.23. The PV amount that I'm borrowing, 29,126. My FV is 0. PY and CY are going to be 12 each. And then I'm going to go up to my PMT because I want to know what my monthly payment is. And I'm going to go ahead and do alpha enter to calculate the payment. So the payment is going to be $326.73. So again, our monthly payment is $326.73. Remember, ignore the negative over here. Example 4, how much interest was paid on the loan in example 3. So I need to exit out of our finance app, so second mode, and go to just our calculator. I need to enter in the monthly payment, $326.73, and I need to multiply it by how many payments we're making, which is 120. And I'm going to get the sum of the monthly as $39,207.60. And I need to, I'm going to go ahead and write that down, $39,207.60. That's the sum of the monthly. And I need to subtract the principal or my PV amount from that. So our principal of 29,126, I'm going to go ahead and subtract. And I get that the interest is a total of $10,081.60. Let's go ahead and move on into example 5 and 6. So we'll go through this quicker. Judy bought a dishwasher. Total amount she needs to borrow is $840. That's my PV. This is my 2 is my little n. So I'm going to go to my time value of money solver. I'm going to go ahead and clear what we have. So big N is 2 times 12. My I percent, 4.2. PV is 840. FV is 0, PY is 12, and CY is 12. Go back up to PMT and go ahead and solve, alpha enter. We get $36.55 on a monthly basis. The total interest is going to be that monthly payment, $36.55, times how many payments? In this case, it's 24. And then we're going to go ahead and subtract the amount that we borrowed, which was $840. So the total interest for this loan is $37.20.